Hello, Tiny House
How's it
fam.
going?
What's up, everybody? Well, as you're getting ready for the Christmas season, we just wanted to make your day a little bit more merry and a little bit brighter because, gotta have the merry and bright.
That's right. Yep, we're bringing back a year-long bundle, which includes some of our most favorite things on the Tiny House platform, including a year-long membership to the Tiny House University, where you get to connect with other Tiny House folks, people learning, people already living Tiny House lifestyle, and just access to a ton of resources for learning and avoiding a lot of mistakes too along the way.
Yep, and right along with the year-long membership that you'll get with the bundle here, you'll also get 4 sets of Tiny House plans. That's not 1, that's not 2, but that's actually not just 3, but it's 4 Tiny House plans. So all that for just $120. So a year-long membership and 4 sets of Tiny House plans.
And those Tiny House plans are something we've worked hard on, and we spent the last 10 years perfecting our design expertise, making sure tiny homes, small spaces like these designs are just dialed in to the T. So that on top of the intensive construction experience that we've poured into building over 100 tiny homes, these things are ready for you to give to a builder or to do a DIY build. So they're incredibly valuable resources there to take advantage of.
Yep, and this is also a limited time offer and a limited quantity offer. So we're not just dishing these things out like candy to anybody and everybody. It's limited. It's just kind of like a Christmas present under your Christmas tree. So if you're interested even in the slightest bit, you guys want to take advantage of this bundle here, and it's only a limited amount of time. So it's kind of your journey into 2024. So it's the perfect time to avail this situation because you'll have the membership for the entire 2024. All the amazing things that we're going to be doing. So
that's right. Well, appreciate you guys. Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next time.
Merry Christmas.